Not in our normal spot today because customer states. I changed my own oil and I feel like I did something wrong. Yeah, I'd say you did. You got oil all over the coolant reservoir. Oil here. Oil here. If you pull the dipstick, it's massively overfilled. So I asked the customer to come out. Tell me, what did you do? Oil drain plug's back here. They told me they tripped and they pulled this drain plug. Can anyone tell me what that's for? This just turned into one very expensive oil change. Oh my God. Okay, this person massively overfilled this thing. It's still coming out. What are you doing?